The promise versus reality of EV luxury. Luxury EVs promise quiet rides, instant torque, and futuristic prestige. But behind the glossy brochures lies a hidden reality of costs US buyers rarely hear about. Tesla, Lucid, Rivian, and even Mercedes EV owners are learning that maintenance isn't just about oil changes anymore. Software, batteries, and premium repairs come with their own price tag. Dealers highlight the savings, but American buyers need to know the full picture. Luxury has shifted and so have the expenses. So welcome to the Luxury Wheels Hub. Official here, we break the secret about Chang's and American cars. 2. Battery replacement, the $20,000 question. The single biggest hidden cost of luxury EVs is the battery. While Tesla claims its packs last over a decade, replacements can run $15,000, $25,000. Lucid and Rivian offer warranties, but once expired, US owners face serious bills. Unlike gas cars, you can't just replace one component when the battery goes. The entire pack often must be swapped. For Americans eyeing long-term ownership, this is the elephant in the garage. Dealers rarely mention. 3. Software subscriptions, paying for features you already bought. In 2026, owning a luxury EV is like owning an iPhone on wheels. Tesla charges for full self-driving, Lucid locks certain features behind upgrades, and BMW even experimented with heated seat subscriptions. These buyers are realizing that the real cost isn't just the sticker price, it's the monthly subscription stacking up. Dealers talk about cutting-edge features, but forget to mention the bill keeps arriving long after you've signed. Luxury has gone digital, and so have the costs. 4. Tire wear, the heavy price of instant torque. EVs deliver insane acceleration, but that torque destroys tires faster than most Americans expect. A Tesla Plaid or Porsche Taycan Turbo GT can shred performance tires in under 15,000 miles, with premium tires costing $400, $600 each. US owners are shocked when replacements come sooner than planned. Dealers love to show 0 to 60 times, but never explain the hidden expense of keeping luxury glued to the road. Speed thrills, but it also empties wallets. 5. Charging costs, home versus public reality. Dealers often advertise fuel savings, but the charging story is more complicated. Home charging in America is cheap if you have a garage and a $2,000 plus level 2 setup. But public fast chargers can cost nearly the same as gas per mile. Add in idle fees and subscription plans and the math changes. For US city dwellers without home garages, cheap EV charging often becomes another hidden cost. The convenience comes at a price dealers skip. 6. Repair shops. The scarcity. Premium luxury EVs can't just be fixed at any corner shop. Tesla requires specialized service centers. Lucid has only a handful nationwide, and Rivian is still expanding. This scarcity drives up costs and wait times. For American buyers in smaller states, traveling hundreds of miles for service isn't unusual. Dealers promise nationwide support, but the reality is limited infrastructure. Luxury EV ownership in the US often means paying a scarcity premium for maintenance. 7. Insurance. Premiums. Why EVs cost more to cover. Insuring a luxury EV in the US is no bargain. Tesla, Lucid, and Porsche EVs cost 20 to 30% more to insure than their gas counterparts. Why? Expensive parts, costly batteries, and fewer repair shops. Even minor fender benders can lead to sky-high repair bills. Dealers highlight green savings, but they don't talk about the insurance sticker shock waiting down the road. For US luxury buyers, the premium isn't just for the car, it's for protecting it. 8. Luxury interiors. Repair. Costs few. Expect Americans love Tesla's minimalist cabin, Lucid's elegant interiors, and Mercedes hyperscreen. But repairing them? That's another story. A cracked screen in a Mercedes EQS can cost thousands. Lucid's panoramic glass roof isn't cheap to replace. Even Tesla's giant center touchscreen can cost more than a used Honda Civic. Dealers highlight beauty, but they don't talk about repair bills when that beauty breaks. In US luxury EVs, interiors can be as costly as engines once were. 9. Depreciation, the silent killer of luxury value. Luxury EVs lose value faster than many Americans expect. While Tesla holds its ground, Lucid, Rivian, and Chinese brands are seeing steep Depreciation. New tech and constant updates make yesterday's car feel old in just a year. Dealers promise investment in the future, but many U.S. buyers discover resale values crash quickly. For those thinking long-term, depreciation can dwarf even maintenance costs. Luxury EVs are fast, but their values fall even faster. 10. Warranty fine print. What's really covered? Luxury. EV warranties sound impressive: 8 years, 100,000 miles, but the fine print tells another story. Batteries are covered, but not always for degradation. Screens and sensors often have shorter coverage. U.S. buyers only discover this when a $5,000 repair falls outside the warranty. Dealers love to emphasize peace of mind, but that peace comes with limits. Reading the fine print is essential if Americans want to avoid costly surprises. 11. Dealer tactics. What they don't tell you. Luxury EV dealers know how to sell the dream. They highlight torque, tech, and green savings. But they skip over subscription fees, tire wear, and insurance spikes. Thus, buyers often walk away dazzled, only to face hidden costs months later. The truth is, dealers aren't lying, they're just not telling the whole story. Luxury in 2026 means reading between the glossy lines before signing. 12. Comparing costs, EV versus gas luxury cars. When you compare luxury EVs to gas cars like BMW 7 Series or Mercedes S-Class, the numbers surprise U.S. buyers. Yes, EVs save on oil changes, but gas cars don't need $20,000 battery swaps. Gas models also depreciate slower in many cases. Dealers love to frame EVs as cheaper long-term, but the reality depends on how and where Americans drive. The winner? It's not as simple as they claim. 13. Who should buy a luxury EV in 2026? For U.S. tech enthusiasts, early adopters, and city drivers with garages, luxury EVs are the perfect match. But for rural Americans, frequent travelers, or those seeking resale value, the equation is different. EVs are incredible, but not for everyone. Dealers want every buyer, but the truth is, not every buyer should take the plunge. Knowing your lifestyle is the key to avoiding regrets. 14. The bottom line, knowledge is power. Luxury EVs are thrilling, futuristic, and undeniably impressive. But behind the gloss lies a complex web of hidden costs. From batteries to insurance, from depreciation to subscriptions, Americans must know the full story before buying. Dealers sell the dream, but smart buyers dig for the reality. In 2026, knowledge isn't just power, it's savings. And that's the real luxury every U.S. driver deserves. Asterisk, and if you love exploring the latest luxury cars and future EVs, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because here on Luxury Wheels Hub Official, we reveal the machines that will shape tomorrow. Our next video might just feature the one EV America isn't ready for yet. Don't miss it.